Hey guys, I'm Riley. I'm 23 years old and I'm going to do a vlog of a couple of days in my life. If you could please like and subscribe down below. Also follow me on Instagram at Riley E. Dunn, D-U-N-N. It would mean so much. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoy. Hello, I'm going to start a vlog for the next few days and I'm going to head to Trader Joe's and pick up a few staple items. It's the morning. I just had coffee. Now I'm gonna head over. Hopefully it's not too crowded. Yeah. Bye. Hello. I'm back from Trader Joe's and I'm downstairs going to work out, but first I want to show you a couple things I got in Stella's in the background here. I got these egg frittatas, Swiss cheese and cauliflower. Really yummy and pretty healthy for you. It has egg whites, Swiss cheese, cauliflower, whole eggs, fried onions, water, chives, cornstarch. Yeah, these are yummy, good, easy breakfast. Just pop in the microwave. Piece of toast. Then stocked up on James's favorite, orange chicken. It's really good. This I tried recently and it's so yummy. It's a flatbread with creme fraiche, ham, caramelized onions, and Swiss style Gruyere cheese. If you like ham and cheese croissants, this is like a bougie version. It's so good. Yummy. And then I just got some eggs. I got some mango chunks for my smoothies. Asparagus risotto. James likes to have these for his lunch. So I got that for him. And then I got some crumbled feta, which I probably should have brought upstairs, but whatever. Oh, I got lentils to make a couple new recipes. Frozen vegetable stir-fry mix. Nice, easy meal. Fried rice, frozen fried rice, and I want to try this vegan pasta bolognese. So that's other stuff I got was fresh fruit and some salad mixes. But I can show you that later. I'm going to work out now. And I'm going to do the sweat app. I've been doing the Pilates. And today is a HIIT workout, Pilates. I'm going to make a smoothie bowl after I'm done working out. I just finished Pilates and now I'm going to make a smoothie bowl for James and I. I have banana, frozen berries, frozen strawberries, and then I'm going to add frozen acai packet. Yummy. Oh, that's smart.
How have you been doing it?
With the spoon.
Really, yeah. Cheese gets on the side.
I made myself an iced coffee. And I'm gonna plan out the rest of my day. And I changed and showered after my workout. What a good girl. Oh, it's hot. It's like, I think it's 87 degrees. We are going to my brother's lacrosse game. Looks like it might thunderstorm. Yeah, it wasn't supposed to thunderstorm earlier, but I'm gonna get ready for that. It's gonna be hot out, so I think I'm gonna put my hair in French braids and then just do a light makeup look. I picked up some new things from Sephora. I got Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Kit, the mini one. The Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter Super Glow and Fair/Pale. I got this Positive Light Illuminator Liquid from Rare Beauty. And then I picked up another Summer Fridays Butter Lip Balm. I like these. I have one. Needed a new one, so I picked one up. Okay, I braided my hair. Took longer because I redid it and did it a different way. So I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm first putting on this Summer Fridays lip butter. Oh my. Lip butter balm. A lot came out. Then since it's hot, sunny, and do a light makeup routine. So I'm just going to use this Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Moisturizer. This is Milk Makeup Luminous Blur Stick. And I'll be wearing a mask for most of the time, so don't need a crazy makeup look. Next I'm going to do some concealer. I'm just going to use this e.l.f. Flawless Brightening Concealer. I'm going to use this Stila liquid eyeshadow because it helps my eyes. I finished my makeup and my hair. I just did a light makeup look. And I'm gonna add some earrings, and I'm not really sure what I'm gonna wear yet, but I'm gonna figure that out. Okay, see you in a bit. I'm mixing zucchini noodles with mine.
Yeah, you gotta come on.
Caesar salad. We're on our way to my brother's lacrosse game. Just had dinner, running a bit late. So, I mean, technically it doesn't start till 7, I'm pretty sure. But it might start early. Lacrosse is so odd. I don't get it. But, got my mask. He got his mask. It's really hot, so it should be fun. Sitting and sweating. And I brought my brother flowers. It's his senior night, so I'm such a nice sister. Okay, see ya. We just were at Connor's game and they won 15 to, what was it, 9? 5?
5.
15 to 5. And Connor scored a goal. Woo. I got it on video, so that's exciting. And then we took some pictures after for his senior night. So I'd say it was a good senior night. Okay, bye. Just doing my night routine. So I was passed out, planning for tomorrow. My water, and then I'm just gonna head to bed. See you tomorrow. Bye. Stella and I are going on a walk. It's warm out today. It's the next day. And yeah, I'm gonna go for a walk and then I'm gonna work out after. I'm on my phone because my camera's charging, but I wanted to show a couple things that I picked up. Still sleeping there. Picked up from Amazon before my hair appointment. So I showered after walking Stella and I'm gonna go get a haircut. Right now it's just in a bun. Think I'm gonna do some long bangs. Not sure yet. Just a trim, otherwise that. First, I'm gonna show my small Amazon haul. I got this pill case for all my vitamins and supplements and all that stuff I take. So I guess it opens up like that. Or I can. So you can take the top off like this The whole thing comes off. Like that. And then it has little compartments, and I like how it has morning and night, because some medicine I take morning, some I take night. Exciting, and it's cute and pink. So that's nice, so I don't need a million vitamin bottles everywhere. This is interesting. It's very random, but it's a popcorn bowl to make microwave popcorn rather than bagged popcorn. I like salty popcorn, not buttery. I just like salt. Yeah, I just like salt and popcorn. That's it. It's like a good snack to crunch on if you want something without having like chips or something. So it's a lot healthier for that. So it has a little top that you put in, and then you put the kernels and then microwave it in this. I thought that was cool. And it can fold up nicely like that. So got some that so I can make popcorn, and I just buy the kernels and then add, sometimes I'll add oil so it doesn't stick. And then I picked up these Hue, I think is pronounced, grain-free cookies, chocolate chip. I love their chocolate bars, so I wanted to try their cookies. It tastes like ginger snaps, but they're chocolate chip, but it's good. They taste good. They have other flavors, so I'll probably try the other flavors next time. They have like a variety pack. Yeah, it's, the first ingredient is date, and then coconut oil, coconut butter. So it's very like good for you cookies. Well, not good for you, but a lot better. It has really good ingredients. So, and then I picked up a big bag of this cacao nibs. I like adding these to my smoothie bowls, or if I'm making pancakes, like banana chocolate chip, except these are bitter. So these can be unsweet, but it does give the chocolate flavor, which is nice. So I like adding this into stuff. It's just a healthier version of chocolate chips. Yeah, it doesn't have any sugar, like there's no sugar in this. It's raw, like cocoa. It's Nature's dark chocolate chips. That's what it says on the package. These are good, healthy version swap. And then I picked up a package of 20 of these, and it's for your clothes to hang on. So you just like put your hanger on there, and so you can have more storage with your clothes. So I got a bunch of these to add to my closet, so there'll be more room. Like, I need more room. I have enough clothes, but I just thought it would help organize my clothes a little bit better. So I'm gonna use these, try them out. I have some that are like this, but a little bit different, but yeah. And I think that's all that I got. I got my hair cut, then I picked up a coffee on the way home. I'm just gonna go home now. But I got coffee, my hair done, and it's a bit shorter than I wanted, but it's summer. It's gonna be hot, so it's fine. It'll grow also. But I do like the cut of it. Reminds me of Rachel from Friends, kind of. Yeah, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe down below, like this video. See you next week.